The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant keeps getting better. For BMWs with BMW Operating System 7 version July 20 or later, an improved Personal Assistant widget is now available. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant widget can be shown on the central information display. Edit the widget you would like to change, and select Personal Assistant. It supports your vehicle interaction by showing you a selection of example commands. These suggestions update every 2 minutes according to your current setting. Click on the widget to enter the Intelligent Personal Assistant settings. The Personal Assistant is now visually enhanced with a more emotional animation and indication towards the driver or passenger who it is listening to. Window control and driving experience control, for example, are now also controllable via the Intelligent Personal Assistant.
Hey BMW, activate Sport Mode.
I have activated the Sport Mode.
In Guest Mode, the new visualization and sound, as well as certain control functions, are not available. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.